Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nara, and in today's video, we will discuss how to install n8n end-to-end on a VPS using Docker. We will perform the complete installation on the VPS using Docker and also configure our domain with SSL certificate installation. So we will cover all these topics in this video. But first, let me explain what n8n is. What does its dashboard look like? Let me show you. I have already installed it here. We will install it again on the same domain. Let me show you an overview of what I have installed here. Okay. First, what does n8n do? This is their official website. It creates workflows. You can implement AI automation within it. What are workflows? You see something like this interface where you can create your own workflows to automate any task. You can integrate AI services like ChatGPT, Claude, and others. Whatever services you want to integrate, you can add them here. And through these integrations, you can get your desired output. For example, you can create a complete sales funnel here. Why should you use n8n? Because it offers both paid and free options. If you want to pay for it, you can purchase it from their website. If you want to use it for free, you can host it on your own VPS. There are no limitations with self-hosting. You can use it as much as you want and create unlimited workflows. And it will run 24/7. Okay? If you want to use their hosted version, here is their pricing structure. Okay. When you set it up on a VPS, you have complete control over your VPS. Here are the available templates. What templates are available? There are many pre-built workflow templates available. You can use these ready-made templates. In this video, we will show you how to install it on a VPS. In upcoming videos, we will create AI agents. We will create workflows for different use cases. Okay. First, you will need a VPS and a domain for the setup. The domain I am using in this video is this one. For VPS, you will find links for both in my description. You can click and access them from there. Okay. You can get the cheapest VPS from Contabo using this link. If you want something similar, Hostinger also provides VPS with pre-installed n8n. You don't need to do manual installation, but the price is higher. It costs more. What should you do? You need to select this option. Select the one CPU with 4 GB of RAM. The direct link is also available in the description below. Look, this is the pricing for May 24th. This is what you'll pay for 2 years. What do you do? Here I select 1 month, which actually means 1 year. At this price, you can create unlimited automation workflows. And they will run 24/7. If you get a VPS, you can use it for multiple purposes. Suppose you have installed n8n on it. You can also set up a VPN on the same VPS. I have made a video about that as well. You will find links for both of these in the description. You can access them by clicking the links there. Here you need to go directly to Applications. When you're purchasing it, go to Applications. Select n8n. Confirm it. When you continue and purchase, n8n will be pre-installed. Okay. In this video, we will install it step by step on a fresh VPS. You will see how to install it on a fresh VPS. The IP address I am using in this video is this one. This is my root password. I am using Ubuntu 24 OS and this will be my domain. Okay, now let's start the installation. I have written all the steps here systematically. You need to follow these steps. Okay? What's the first step? Copy your IP address and open Bitvice SSH client. You can also use PuTTY or similar tools. If you don't have Bitvice, go to Google and search Bitvice SSH client and download it. This option will appear here. After downloading, you need to install it. I already have it installed. Enter root in the username field. Click on Login. After clicking, click Accept here. Then enter your root password. I'll enter my root password here. And I'm logged in. What do you need to do? Open your terminal. Okay. After opening the terminal, you'll see something like this. Here you need to run commands step by step. What's the first thing to do? Let's update the system. Then we'll install Docker and then Docker Compose. What do I do first? I'll update and upgrade my system. Okay? Only after that will I install Docker. After this is completed, what do you need to do? Install Docker. This is the command for installing Docker. First enter this command. Then run this command. Docker will be installed. Okay? After installation, you need to add the Docker user to the Docker group. I'll copy this command. Paste it here and press Enter. Look, it shows the Docker version above. What's the version here? Now install Docker Compose. Copy this command. I've pasted it here, press Enter, then run this command. Copy and paste it here, then press Enter. This has been completed. Docker is installed, Docker Compose is also installed. Before proceeding, you need to add your IP address to your domain's DNS settings. I'll add this a record here. Add this record type and IP address here. If you're using a subdomain, put the subdomain name instead of @ I'll create an A record with www here and save. I'll create 2 records here. Okay. Next, create a folder named n8n docker in the root directory. Then use the cd command to navigate to that folder. Okay. After coming here, I'll clear the screen, so you can see it clearly. What do I need to do now? Create a file named dockercompose.yml. What do I do? Type nano followed by the file name and press Enter. The text editor will open. You need to enter this code inside it. What do I do? First copy this code. Copy the code and paste it here. In this code, you need to replace it with your domain. Wherever it needs to be changed, let me show you where. Check it carefully. Here you need to enter your domain. Add your domain or subdomain here, whatever you're using. And here as well, okay? Wherever you see a different domain, if you have a different domain, replace it here. Okay? I'm already using this domain. I'll just copy and paste it here. Now what do you need to do? To save, press Ctrl+X, type Y, then press Enter. After doing this, what do you need to do? Scroll down a little. Create another file named .env. I create a file with nano and need to put this code inside, but first replace your domain name here with any valid email ID. Here you need to enter the password. You can use any password. I'll use this one. OK. Then I copy it and paste it. To save the file, press Ctrl+X, type Y, then press Enter. Now let's install it. Before installation, I'll create this folder. It's done. I'll give permissions to this folder. Chmod command, and then check the DNS to see if your domain is connected to your IP address. After that, what do? Let's start the Docker Compose service. I entered this command. Our installation is now pulling the image. Then it will extract it here. What happens with Docker is that everything is pre-configured. It just pulls from the cloud and sets up on your VPS. OK. It's created and started here. OK. This is the name of your container. You should see this, right? This is the network name. OK. After this, you can run this command to check if your containers are running. Look at this. Next, you need to configure the firewall settings. You need to open these ports. OK. Run these commands one by one. I have already done this. I'll do this from here and remove this duplicate entry. After that, you can check the status of which ports are open. It will show the status here. I have already kept all these ports open. What do? Let me clear this. OK. Run all these commands and then run this one. After that, reload it as well. And check its status to verify that the ports you opened are correct. OK. OK. Now come here and open your domain. When you open it for the first time after installation, you'll see something like this. What do? What do I do here? I'll enter my email ID here because I already have an n8n account. I won't use the same email because a license key is generated with it. I'll explain that too. So here you will receive an email. You need to enter that email address here. OK? This is the email you will receive. This is for the login process. Enter your personal email address here. OK? Now I'll enter the password. This one here. I have entered the password. Now I'll click on Next. Here it's asking for some additional details. You can enter them or skip this step. Enter any information you want and then click on Continue. Click on OK, get started. Now I was talking about this feature. This is a paid feature that is being offered to you for free. It will send you an email. Enter your email address here. I have already entered mine. Click on Send Free License Key. As soon as you click this, you will receive an email. You need to open it and either click on Activate or manually enter the license key. I'll click on Activate License Key. Perfect. As you can see, the license key has been activated. The system will now activate it. Now I'll go back to the dashboard. I'll refresh the page from here. After your n8n installation is complete, you will see something like this interface. Here you can create agents. You can create workflows. If you want ready-made templates, click on Templates here. You will find many templates available here. You can use any of them. We'll learn how to use them in the next video. This video was focused on the installation process. In the settings section, you'll find all the configuration options. What are your user details, user information, etc., okay? If you want to invite users, configure IP settings, etc. You can also create API connections here. You'll find everything you need in the settings. Here you'll have access to your workflows. In the credential section, for example, if you're a Gmail user, you'll need its API credentials. If you're using OpenAI ChatGPT, you'll need the OpenAI API. All your login credentials and API keys will be stored here in the credential section. That covers everything for this video. In this video, I showed you how to install n8n using Docker on a VPS, and you can also run a VPN on the same VPS. If your VPS is expensive, you can also use a VPA on it. This way you'll have two services running on your VPS. That's everything covered in this video. More videos about agents and how to create workflows in n8n will be coming soon. Future videos on this topic will continue to be released. Please subscribe to the channel and thank you for watching this video.